Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Jet America Airlines and your entire flight crew, may we extend a very warm welcome to you on board our flight number 102 with nonstop service to the Chicago's O'Hare International Airport. At this time, I would like to introduce you to our cockpit crew. In command of our aircraft this morning is Captain John Rogers. He will be assisted by First Officer Stephen Schrock. The flight attendant crew that will be serving you today in the main cabin are Cece and Brent. In the forward cabin stand Susan, and my name is Anne. Because of our interest in your safety and well-being, we will now demonstrate and explain to you the use of the safety equipment on board our DC-9 Super 80 aircraft. May I remind the seasoned traveler that all the major airlines and all the different aircraft types in operation do have different safety procedures. Therefore, we hope you follow our demonstration extra carefully. The compartments overhead contain supplemental oxygen. Should the use of oxygen become needed in flight, the compartments overhead will open automatically. Extinguish all smoking material immediately. Reach up and remove the nearest mask from its metal holder, pulling the mask downward firmly towards you to activate the flow of oxygen. Then cover your nose and mouth with the yellow cup and breathe normally until a uniformed crew member tells you to remove it. After securing the elastic white band around your head, as your flight attendants are now demonstrating, do be sure that all children's masks fit tightly to their faces. Your seatbelt has been designed for easy fastening and release. To fasten, simply insert the metal fitting into the buckle and lift up on the buckle release to unfasten. Your seat cushions are removable and may be used as flotation devices if needed by pulling upward on the bottom portion of your cushion, turning it around, then threading your arms through the red loop. There are 8 exits on board our aircraft. 2 are located in the rear of the cabin, 4 are over the wings in the middle of the cabin, and 2 are in the forward section of the aircraft where I am standing. Notice that all of our exits are clearly marked. We ask that you take this time now to review the illustrated safety information card located in the seat pocket directly in front of or to the side of you, then look around and locate the 2 exits that are nearest to your seat location.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has just turned off the no smoking sign. May we remind you that smoking is permitted in the smoking sections only, and that cigarette smoking is the only thing permitted on this aircraft. Smoking sections on this aircraft are row 3. We remind you that smoking is not permitted in the lavatories or while standing in the aisles. Thank you for your cooperation.